welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I have uploaded any video on my channel, not even a single one, not even cooking, vlogging, anything. I don't know, I just disappeared. So I'm back. Probably I'll try to be consistent. I'm not promising, I can't promise anything. So after a while, after this lockdown and everything, I have ordered few stuff from Vajor. Vajor.com. For those who you don't know, Vajor is an Indian brand where it collects different bohemian stuff like home related, decorative clothing and shoes and a lot of other stuff from local entrepreneurs, and they sell it online. It's really good brand and they have very good quality products. So this time I didn't order any clothing item, but I just ordered some decorative items. I don't know, because I'm just inspired. So this is the big box that I've received for the 7 items that I ordered. It looks like a huge box. So this is my first unboxing video. I have never done an unboxing video before. So yeah, this is my first one. And without any further talking, let's open it and see how the products are inside, because I have ordered a glass piece as well and I hope it's not broken and everything. So let's just open it. So I have keys with me. I like to open the packages with my keys. I don't know, for some weird reason I never use a knife or a scissor or anything, so this is the only thing I use. So just open it. Let's start opening. Oof. I'm sweating. Okay, I think I did a good job. Yes. Come on. Yes. Ooh. It's quite nice. Let me show you how is it inside. So this is how it looks inside. Nicely packed. Each item is individually packed again in different cardboard boxes. So I'll just quickly take this 7 items out of the box and put it outside and into the bigger box. So I've taken all the stuff from the bigger box and you can see the pile, this bigger pile that I've piled up. So I know, and here is the items and the bill and everything. So for you people, start with the topmost thing that's here. I know what this is. This is a handbag that I have ordered. I've been eyeing this handbag on Vajor for a longer time. Oh my god, this is a pretty color. It says made with love. So the first one is here. This is Marcella fringe satchel bag, which comes with a shoulder bag and as well as normal handle. This is removable and this is kind of detachable. So this originally quoted at 2,299, which is 2,300 rupees, and with taxes I got this for 690. I really like it. Even my sister liked it. Probably she'll take it when she's here. So this opens really interesting. So this is a flap like this which just goes in, and there's a button as well. So this goes inside here and it sits down. How cool is that? Just open it and open it. That's it. That's a cool bag. I like it. With the fringes. Yeah, with the fringes. I love these fringes. You can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box of the Vajor.com and as well as his handbag. You can check them out. They have so many other handbags as well in sale, like the bohemian, what do you call them, like the jute handbags and the fancy ones, all those. So but I got this one. This is a really nice one. I like this one. So the next one we have here, I don't know what this is. Oh, probably I think this must be earrings. I ordered a pair of earrings from them. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, such cool packing. See, this is a brand, Vajor. Okay. What are you? What are you? Come on. Yes. Oh yeah, these are the earrings. I was correct. Let's just... They're nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. A lot of plastic, but can we avoid the plastic? Probably, yeah. So that's the reason I didn't shop for 4 months anything. So the first look, oh, they look pretty. This is the first look. This is how they look. Very pretty. Let me just open and show it to you. Come on, come on. Oh, oh yeah. Yes. Oh, I love long hangings. How beautiful are these? So these are angel trumpet earrings, originally for 699 rupees, which is like 700. Look how pretty these are. I love them. They're really big. They look super cool if you wear them on white, black, anything probably. 699, and I think I got them for 210 rupees. Yeah. So after sale and this discount and everything, I got them for 210 rupees. Let me just remove one of the earring and show it to you. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is looking wow. I love this. I'm a sucker of long earrings for people who know me, who follow me here, at least for the videos I have uploaded, or I really wear long. So today also I was wearing quite long earrings, but these are really long, probably 3.5 inches. Love this. How pretty are these? How pretty are these? Yeah, that's the next one. And what is this? What do we have here? I have no idea what I ordered. I actually forgot. So let's see what's the next product is. Oh, okay. These are the coasters that I've ordered. I've been looking for some cool coasters for a longer time, and they're on sale on Vajor, and probably they're handmade. Oh, how beautiful these are. Oh, I love them. See? Foliage. Love coasters because they're leaf and hence they got foliage, and they have a midline nicely done with a marble finish. They're really nice. The wood, who doesn't love them? 3 wooden coasters for 280 rupees. Come on, I really love them. I can't wait to use these coasters. I really can't wait to use these coasters. So that's next. The next item we have here is a Tiffany glass mug. It's a beautiful color, nicely wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap, of course. Oh, it's quite small. When I've seen it online, it's looking pretty big, but it's really small. Oh, even the color is kind of different. It looked green, now it's looking blue. Ah, we can't never trust online. And this is like 465 rupees. Yeah, this is like 465 rupees. I don't know how much it can hold. Not even a half liter, I guess. Maybe 700 ml. Yeah, but this is a pretty mug with a pretty color. I don't know how it will look in daylight, but this is a nice Tiffany glass mug. This is not a jar, this is a mug. So this is for 465 rupees. So this is the next product. The next item we have here is going to be beautiful, and I got it like for really good price. That is this beautiful little birdie, wooden birdie. Oh, where's your face? Oh, you're looking pretty. So this is, oh sorry. So this is the little birdie that I have ordered, and it costed me 285 rupees after discount, which is really good. And it's all wooden, and I think it's steel probably, or iron painted, coated in steel something. But I love this little birdie, my little birdie. So this is the next thing on the list, and I have here one more thing. I don't know what this is. This is the macrame wall hanging that everyone has these days. We went to Bali like in December last year, and I actually wanted to get one from there, but I ended up not getting it, and I felt really bad after coming here. And I've seen this piece on Vajor, and it was on sale. If it was not on sale, I'm telling you, I would have never bought it because it was too expensive. It was like, I don't know, I would say, oh, let me see the price. It was like for 1199 rupees. I would never buy it for like 1200 rupees. So, but this I got it on sale for 360 rupees, which is not bad. It's like 70% off. So this is how they're wrapped, and these are the price codes. This is how the brand, the logo of the Vajor and the Bohemian stuff. Oh, this is a nice color. It was looking brown on the website. I don't know. Here it's like the seaweed green, something like that. Yes. Oh wow. Wow. That's. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh. I just got it. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, right? And just for 360 bucks, I think it's really expensive even on Amazon and other sites. Wherever you see there are few are available on Myntra, even I guess Flipkart. So, but it smells of jute and rug. I don't know rug, but this is big. This is pretty big. This is pretty big. This is how it looks. The macrame. I'm loving it. I can't wait to style one of the walls in my house with this, and I'll show you when I get it. I mean when I do it. So this is 360 rupees. This is a nice color. Usually people buy in white or some other light colors which are available in the market, but this one is very different in color, like some shaded green color, I would say. Yeah, so that's the next one. So I have one last product remaining. Let's open it. I really don't know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. I know. I just remember what this is because they're making some sounds. I can hear some sounds. Can you hear? Probably not, but I know what. Sweating like a pig. So this is the final product from this purchase from Vajor. So this is ta-da! Oh my god, this is a spoon set. Oh, the lighting. Oh yeah, you people can see it now. Such beautifully packed. I'm in love with this one. I think the original price of this one is 2,500. That is, oh no, 2,499, which is 2,500. And after sale, I mean after discount and everything, I think I got it for 1,250, which is like 50% off. Look at the pretty shades. Look at them. Oh, how gorgeous are they? Oh my god. They're really beautiful. Can you come out? No, I have to cut them. Yeah, but this is the spoon set that I've got with the golden shade and the mosaic detailing on the handles. How pretty are they? They're so pretty. Yeah, so that's it guys. These are the 7 items that I have ordered, and I must say the spoon set is my favorite in this whole purchase from Vajor. Next time what I'm going to purchase from Vajor is some clothing. They have some really good clothing which is kind of bohemian, and that is my style, I would say. And next time when I get something from Vajor, I'll share it to you. I'll just leave the links of everything in the description box. You can check it out, you can shop. Currently they're running a 70% off on all the So with the little birdie here, I'm signing off, and that's it for this video. And stay tuned for further more videos which are upcoming. And good night. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Say bye bye, little birdie.